Hello and welcome to Brenda's Bread Moments. Today I'm going to give you a little brief synopsis of my makeup collection. And as you see here, this is my Vanity. And here are some of the products that are on my Vanity. A little close up of a few products. And then also I keep a daily devotional calendar on my Vanity. And I have my mirror, and then my Chanel piggy bank from Z Gallery. And then also there's a teacup there with pearls in it. So let's go ahead and get started on the collection. I'll sit here at my Vanity. Also my chair, it's just a regular desk chair, and I went on Etsy and found this pillowcase. And I didn't put a pillow in it. What I decided to do was just pin it to the back of my chair. Just make it a little bit more personalized. But I do plan on getting a little bit more glammed out vanity chair. Alright, so let's just get started in my collection. I'm going to start at the main drawer here in the center. Also, I keep my vitamins here as well. And this floral arrangement came from TJ Maxx. I love TJ Maxx. And there you can see me in the mirror. This is the mirror here. So it's kind of a vintage vanity. Alright, so my main drawer here consists of, I know some people may say, ooh, that's a lot. But, let me zoom out a little bit. This is my main drawer, and on this side here I keep just some extra cosmetic facial pads, brushes. I keep my lip gloss here. This is my everyday, or what I use on the regular. I don't wear makeup every day. I would say maybe 2-3 times a month, if that. Here are some extra beauty blenders. Here is some primers. I have e.l.f. and Smashbox, and then I have an Oil of Olay makeup remover. I usually use this when I travel. And I haven't really got into concealers, but I have a collection of them. I basically just use this BB cream here, which I've been using for years. And then a little blush sometimes from MAC. This blush right here from MAC that I adore, called Raisin. I just usually, like I say, a little dusting or a little splash of that. And then over here are some samples, the oil-free MAC lotion. Here's a sample of the Tom Ford Black Orchid perfume. And then I have some moisture wipes here that I use, just to clean up. So this is it for the center drawer. And then on this side, in this drawer, I have some foundations and BB creams. I think I'm navigating as I get older more toward BB creams. So I like this tinted booster cream by MAC. I love this. And I also like, let me shake it up a little bit. It's called the Face and Body Foundation by MAC. And this is N7. And I learned about this from a friend of mine on YouTube, Kelly B. I have this by NARS. I don't think I've ever used it. I bought the wrong color, and then I went back and exchanged and bought this color. But I basically find the foundations may be a little bit too heavy for me. So I navigate more toward the mineral veil, like by Bare Minerals, the mineral veil, mineral tints, CC creams, and BB creams. And this is all mostly BB creams and CC creams. Here's one by e.l.f. as well. And I like this one too. When it first came out, I was enjoying it. I need to shake it up. It's been a while since I used it. The Maybelline Wonder Coconut. So this is basically the foundation and BB cream drawer. This next drawer is highlighters. It's a lot of highlighters. I can tell you right now, I generally only use this one here by MAC. It's called Cheeky Bronze. I'll probably be giving some of these away. I have a cousin I probably give all this stuff to. And then this one here called Ginger Snap. Who's this by? Ginger Snap. Oh, by Black Radiance. So sometime I watch YouTube and I say, oh, I see something that I like, and I'll go out and purchase it, and it'll just sit here. Some of these items also came in my Ipsy bag. Here's a Bobbi Brown's mini skin shimmer compact, and I think I bought this as a sample, but everybody knows what that looks like. Then I have the Hourglass luminous bronzer. So mostly in this drawer is just some highlighters, mostly highlighters. I have Kisses, Milani. I have the Liquid Luminizer by NYX, and then I have some ELF luminizers. Some of this stuff I probably need to go ahead and give away. This one came in my Ipsy bag. It's Bare Republic. It's a natural mineral sunscreen, SPF 30. In the next drawer are a bunch of eyeshadows. I usually don't use too many eyeshadows. Some eyeshadow palettes. There again, I need to give a lot of these away, and I probably just make some giveaway bags, maybe do a giveaway on my channel, or give them away to some family and friends, so it won't, go to waste, or even donate to the Woman's Mission. And then in this drawer I have some more eyeshadows, liquid eyeliners, and then also mascaras. And once again, and like I said, several of these items are coming from my Ipsy bag. I've been with Ipsy about 3 years, and then some things when I watch YouTube and I'll see a product on a certain YouTuber, then I'll be influenced to go purchase it. And then some of them have been gifted to me as well. I have received makeup items for gifts. And of course, you see I'm using Dollar Tree's Finest bins for storage. And over on this side would be the lip drawer. So I have basically, I am a lip gloss girl. I do have some lipsticks, but they have to be very neutral. I like to have a modest appearance. I don't like to be over the top. So I don't even own like a red lipstick because that is not my forte. But I think the darkest might be maybe like a burgundy type color. But this is basically my shades that I use. Like I said, I'm basically a lip gloss girl. I do have some MAC products. Milani, NYX. Let's see. This is a DLS. I think this came in an Ipsy bag. This particular item. I have some Kiss products. This is more NYX. Milani, as I mentioned before. And then, of course, some ELF neutral lip items. And in this drawer, I have a little notepad in case I want to take any notes. But in this drawer is all my blushes. And I showed you the MAC blush, Raisin, that I navigate to. And then I also navigate to this one. And this is the color Lovejoy. I also like every now and then orange or a tangerine color looks good on a chocolate girl like me, just for a little color. Some of these, like I said, came in my Ipsy bag. I have lots of Milani here if you notice the packaging. This is ELF Ofra. This came in a Ipsy bag. This one here came in an Ipsy bag as well. This is Balm Springs by the Balm. I have some BH Cosmetics Tulip Blush Dual. Here, this was about 3-4 years ago when this was very popular. And I do plan on minimizing and giving a lot of stuff away. I even have some City Color. This is very old. I bought this. I remember when I purchased this. I think it was more because of the packaging. And then I have going on some Jordana blushes as well. Jordana. And then I have here some more City Color. These are the big blushes. I even purchased some makeup from shopmissa.com. Their makeups are $1. I used to have my brushes up here in the top of the tray, and I decided to place them here in the drawer since I don't use makeup that often, and also to retain them getting dusty. So these will be the dirty brushes, and these are all clean. So I have facial brushes here and then eye brushes there. I very rarely use the eye brushes. As I mentioned, I usually just use my index finger and just dab a little on my lid. And then here I have some brush cleaner, but I usually use a little bit of alcohol and water in Dawn. And then here's another one. This is an Ulta brush cleanser as well. Oh, I wanted to talk about my finishing spray, so let's go back over here. My finishing sprays, my favorite is e.l.f. I always go back to the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. I have NYX. Of course, you gotta have the MAC Prep and Prime. And then I also love the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe and herbs and rose water. And sometimes I just spray this on my face after I give myself, before I go to bed, just for a refreshing after I complete a complete facial. I may do a YouTube about my facials. And this is just some water that I use on my natural wigs. Thanks to Love New York 99. She told me about using water on my natural wigs and a little bit of the Miss Jessie's curl cream to establish this hairstyle that I'm wearing today. Yeah, and then I have some little miniature lip glosses. So this is almost like a little catch-all. And I have some fragrances here, but I very rarely use these fragrances. I generally use the fragrances that are on my dresser. And you'll see some of those when I do my home tour. So let's finish up with the collection here. Also, I have my Bible. And then here's a closer picture of the teacup and pearls. And then I have an Ulta pencil sharpener. After the desk with the brushes, I have some cards here that were given to me, mostly by my husband, and I just keep them here as a keepsake. And then this drawer would be a giveaway drawer, samples. If my cousins or my niece or friends come by and I want to give them something to take home, these are all brand new products that I would give away. For instance, this nail polish was in my Ipsy bag, and I don't wear colored nail polish. It's generally clear or opal or clear or the cotton candy. So I would just give this away to someone. But it's nice to have a catch-all drawer. And I'll put my little notepad here. And that concludes my makeup collection. I know it's not extravagant like some people's that you see on YouTube, but I just wanted to share that with you all today. I know you see my dress hanging up in the background, and it's what I'm going to wear to church tomorrow. And then that's a picture of my husband, whom I love very dearly, cancer survivor. He's a good man. And most of all, when I sit here, I generally just put my makeup on. I sit this back, I gather a white towel or a washcloth and lay it here, and I lay my makeup out in the brushes, and I just sit here and apply my makeup while looking in this mirror, and then I double check myself with this mirror. Well, that concludes my makeup collection. Thank you for tuning in. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Goodbye.